always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
All right, happy Monday. Hopefully you had a great weekend, although we did have to contend with some scattered showers. Now it's all about the wind and the cooler conditions today and tomorrow. But the windy weather is also leading to dangerous beach and boating, and will be warming up by the end of the week. A wind advisory is in effect through 7 p.m. due to sustained winds out of the northeast, and that is 20 to 25 miles per hour, but gusts could reach 30 to 35 miles per hour. We're seeing more rain on our next weather radar right now, as showers will be riding in on that breeze, currently tracking some wet weather over Deerfield Beach, Pompano Beach, as well as Oakland Park and near Fort Lauderdale. Also seeing some light to moderate rain over parts of Miami Beach and Key Biscayne. So hold on to the umbrella, because of course with the winds that'll be whipping throughout the day today, that is going to be hard to navigate some of these quick moving showers. At least temperatures have come down to the upper 60s courtesy of the first front that rolled through. 67 in Fort Lauderdale, Miami, 69 in Key West. It is a little cooler inland, 63 right now in Kendall, 64 in Pembroke Pines. And the wind out of the north, 10, 13, 14 miles an hour. Gusts could reach anywhere from 30 to 35 miles per hour through the late morning, early afternoon. Even through the evening, it's still going to be quite blustery at times tomorrow. Not as windy, but gusts could reach 15 to 20 miles an hour. You'll notice highs today will be a little below normal, around 75, tomorrow 76, but then right back to the 80s by the end of the week. It is not safe to go swimming in the ocean. We have a dangerous high risk of rip currents for the Atlantic beaches, high surf advisory for Fort Lauderdale, and small craft advisory is in effect for my boaters. Not a good day to be out on the waters. Rough conditions for the Atlantic waters and the Keys. Next weather rain tracker is showing that today we'll have to deal with some of these passing showers, especially along the coast where the wind will be strongest. And then we get into your Tuesday tomorrow, looks drier and even cooler in the morning, because we have another reinforcing cold front on the way. So lows will drop down to 60 in Weston, 63 in Margate, 66 in Deerfield Beach, 64 in Miami Lakes and Doral, 63 in Kendall. You'll need a light jacket or light sweater tomorrow morning. And the upper 60s, low 70s across the Keys. Enjoy it while you can, the sweater weather tomorrow morning, because then highs will climb to 76, 78 Wednesday. Notice by the later half of the week and into the weekend will be milder in the mornings. Highs will be warming to the low 80s with some spotty showers through the weekend.